Welcome to our channel, where we believe in the power of self-development. Today, we're going to talk about something that can be both exciting and challenging: goal setting. Setting goals can be one of the most powerful things we do for ourselves. It gives us direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose. But it can also be tough. The road to achieving our goals is often filled with obstacles and setbacks. It's important to remember that setbacks and obstacles are a normal part of the process. They're not a sign that we're doing something wrong, but rather a sign that we're pushing ourselves out of our comfort zone. The key to goal setting is to make sure that our goals are meaningful and achievable. It's also important to have a plan in place and to break our goals down into smaller, manageable steps. And most importantly, don't be afraid to adjust your goals as you go along. Life is unpredictable, and our goals may change as we learn and grow. Remember, the journey towards achieving our goals can be difficult, but it's also incredibly rewarding. So set your goals, make a plan, and don't give up. You got this. As we embark on this journey of goal setting and self-development, it's important to remember that it's not just about the destination, but also about the journey. The process of setting and working towards our goals can be just as rewarding as achieving them. It's a time of self-discovery, growth, and learning. As we set our goals, it's important to be specific and clear. Vague goals will only lead to confusion and lack of direction. We should take the time to visualize and feel what achieving our goals would be like. This will help us to stay motivated and focused on our end goal. But it's not only about setting the right goals, it's also about taking the right actions. It's about being consistent and persistent in our efforts. It's about not giving up when things get tough, but rather pushing through and learning from our mistakes. We should also be mindful of our mindset, as it plays a crucial role in achieving our goals. A positive mindset can help us to overcome obstacles, while a negative one can hold us back. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences and being grateful for what we have can help us to maintain a positive mindset. In conclusion, goal setting is a powerful tool for personal growth and self-development. It's a journey of self-discovery, learning, and growth. By setting specific, meaningful, and achievable goals, having a plan in place, and staying consistent and persistent, we can increase the chances of success. Remember to stay positive, stay motivated, and never give up on your dreams.